That's how much freedom I have learned, or how much control I have learned and seen people in the Bitcoin space giving a challenge even to me as a beginner, or an or a learner in Bitcoin. It gives you freedom to learn things that you are not even able to comprehend, or to perceive as an individual, because you're in a group of people who have different types of knowledge and who build each other as a group, than in a government or centralized system where it's every man for himself. No one wants to. You want to succeed by yourself. You want to do everything by yourself without the help or without the integration of other aspects that may make you be financially free from any taxes, from inflation, from any kind of oppression that occurs in finance or in different aspects of life.